let Sn represents this sum 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 and so on to n terms. If sum of the first 6 terms of an AP with first term minus 6 and the first term minus p and the common difference plus p is this one, root over 2026 and this multiplied by s of 2025. Then we have to find the magnitude of difference between the 20th term and 15th term of this AP. Now in this problem, first we need to calculate this Sn so that we can figure out the value of S 2025. And once we have this value, then we'll see that how to find sum of an AP with first term minus p and common difference plus p. So here, first we need to see the pattern in Sn. So you can see that we have 2, then 6, then 12, 20 and so on. This 2 is 1 into 2. 6 is 2 into 3, right? 12 will be 3 into 4, 20 is 4 into 5. So that means if you write the general term Tn, then clearly you can see that this will be 1 by n into n plus 1, right? In first term, we have 1 into 2, then we have 2 into 3 and so on. So this is the general term Tn. And when these type of problems are very common in JEE Main, where using method of difference, we have to find the sum of n terms of this series. So the first step will be that this, I mean, we need to write Tn as Vn minus 1. This is the standard method, that we need to write Tn as difference of two consecutive terms. We also call this Vn method or method of difference. So here, write the general term as difference of two consecutive term, and then when we add, the alternate terms will cancel. So for that, this 1 in numerator, that you can write as n plus 1 minus n, and this divided by the denominator part will be n into n plus 1. And now you can see that when you separate the two terms, then you will get 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. So this is the general term Tn, right? Now here if I calculate T1, the first term itself, this will be 1 minus 1 by 2. Similarly, the second term 1 by 6, this one can write as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. The third term 3 into 4 or 1 by 12, this you can write as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. And in this manner, the last term Tn, this will be 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. So this will be Sn, right? These are the different terms, their sum will be Sn. So now clearly you can see that if you add all of these terms, then 1 by 2 will cancel, 1 by 3 will cancel and so on. So from here, when you add all of these terms, you will get Sn as, you have 1 from here, right? And 1 by n plus 1. All the other terms, they will cancel. 1 by 2 will cancel, 1 by 3 will cancel and so on. And the second last term, the second term will be 1 by n, so that will cancel this 1 by n. So ultimately we have 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, and this will become n by n plus 1. So this is sum of n terms of that series, right? Now it is given that sum of first 6 terms of an AP with first term minus p and common difference plus p is that number is 2026, and this multiplied by s of 2025. So sum of 6 terms of AP, that will be 6 by 2, and this multiplied by 2 into A is minus P, and plus n minus 1, n is 5, so n minus 1 will be 5. Common difference is P, and this sum is square root of 2026, and this multiplied by S 2025. Now S 2025 means 2025, and this divided by 2026, and this raised to 1 by 2. And now by solving this one, we need to find the value of P. So clearly you can see that 2026 will cancel. And from here you will get 3 into 3P. And root over 2025, that will be 45. So from here we'll get the value of P as 5. Right? Now the problem is we need the difference between, so the value of P is 5. And for the given AP, the common difference is of 5. Now we need the absolute difference between the 20th term and the 15th term. So clearly you can see that difference will be nothing but 5D, right? 20th term means A plus 19D and 15th term means A plus 14D. So the difference will be 5 times the common difference. Common difference P is 5. So therefore, this will become 25. So the correct answer for this problem will be fourth option. So this was a very standard problem of method of difference. First write the general term as difference of two consecutive terms. Then from there we got Sn as n by n plus 1. And now after that standard formula for sum of n terms of AP. So finally the correct answer for this problem is 25.